Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this cute Baby Yoda inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. For the first version of Baby Yoda, start by using a green to make a kind of oval shape for the head. Add long, kind of triangular ears to either side of the head and then fill the ears and the head in with green. Use a beige polish to make a thin line underneath the head and ears as Yoda's robes. Use tan and brown polishes to add shadow. Make the insides of the ears with a dusty pink polish and then outline the top of each pink section with a dark green. Use black painter polish to make two large eyes and a line for the mouth. Add a small pink nose and then use a forest green to add brow bones and shadows near the mouth. Use a medium green to add some wrinkles to the forehead and between the eyes. Add some reflections on the eyes with a sheer white and then seal in your design with a top coat. For the second version of Yoda, start by using a brown to make the shape of a cup. Make a black oval near the top and then lighten the rim of the cup with a tan polish. Use a beige polish to create Yoda's robes on either side of the cup and then use tan to add shadows. Use the same green as before to make the head shape and the ears and then fill them in. Make the insides of the ears with a dusty pink polish and then outline the top of each pink section with a dark green. Outline the sides of the face with a forest green and then add the eyes and the mouth with black. Continue adding the same details to the face as in the first version. Use the same green that you used for the face to make Yoda's hands holding the mug. Use the forest green to add shading and then make the sleeves with the dark brown. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the other three nails, I just painted some quick stars. Make a cross with black and then connect the points with curved lines. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!